Electrical tape is an essential tool used by electricians, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts alike, but its origin story is as intriguing as its ubiquitous presence today. The quest for a reliable way to insulate electrical wires began with materials that seem almost primitive compared to what we use now. Early electricians relied on materials like cloth tape that had been coated with adhesive substances to wrap around wires. These solutions, while innovative for their time, posed challenges such as vulnerability to moisture, limited flexibility, and susceptibility to wear and tear. The hunt for a better solution was on, paving the way for the invention of the modern electrical tape. To understand how electrical tape was made, we need to take a step back into the early 20th century, when electrical wiring was becoming more common and the need for safe, insulated electrical connections grew exponentially. Let's explore, right here on History of Simple Things. In the 1940s, a major breakthrough came from a company that has become synonymous with innovation, 3M, known for its array of groundbreaking products. This was the era when vinyl was gaining popularity as a versatile material, and 3M's engineers saw its potential. Unlike cloth or rubber, vinyl had properties that were ideal for electrical insulation. It was flexible, resistant to moisture and various chemicals, and importantly, it could stretch. This meant that it could be wrapped around wires snugly, creating a more secure and durable seal. The early days of developing vinyl-based electrical tape were not without challenges, however. One of the key hurdles was finding an adhesive that would bond effectively to vinyl while also maintaining its properties over time. After much research and experimentation, 3M developed a pressure-sensitive adhesive that adhered well to the vinyl base without degrading its insulating properties. The first vinyl electrical tapes were revolutionary for their time. They combined the best aspects of previous solutions, easy application, and strong insulation, while addressing their weaknesses. The material's elasticity meant that it could wrap tightly around irregular shapes and maintain its seal even under mechanical stress. Moreover, vinyl's resistance to a wide range of environmental conditions made it suitable for various applications, from household wiring to complex industrial projects. These properties made electrical tape an instant favorite in both professional and domestic settings. The versatility of vinyl electrical tape allowed it to become an essential item in toolboxes around the world, but its journey didn't stop there. As technology advanced and industries grew more complex, so too did the requirements for insulation materials. The electrical tape of today owes much to the early 3M invention, but has benefited from continuous improvement over decades. Modern electrical tapes are crafted through a process that merges high-quality materials with precision engineering. The manufacturing process typically starts with sheets of polyvinyl chloride or PVC, which is treated to ensure it meets stringent standards for electrical insulation. PVC is chosen for its excellent combination of flexibility, durability, and flame retardance. These sheets are fed through a series of rollers that stretch and shape the material to the desired thickness. The precision here is crucial. Too thin, and the tape might tear under tension. Too thick, and it becomes difficult to handle during application. The adhesive, meanwhile, is a crucial component that needs to be carefully balanced. It must adhere strongly to the tape while being able to withstand temperature changes and exposure to moisture without losing its grip or compromising the insulation. Once the PVC sheets have been processed to the correct specifications, they are coated with an acrylic or rubber-based adhesive. This part of the process often takes place in a controlled environment where temperature and humidity are carefully monitored. This ensures that the adhesive bonds well without prematurely curing or reacting with the PVC. The coated sheets are then rolled onto large spools and sliced into the narrow, uniform rolls of electrical tape that we see on store shelves. Quality control measures at this stage are rigorous. Samples from each batch are tested for tensile strength, adhesion, and insulating properties. Only after passing these tests do the rolls move on to packaging. Electrical tape has evolved beyond the classic black color most commonly associated with it. While black electrical tape remains popular due to its UV resistance, electricians and professionals often need color-coded options to indicate specific wiring functions or phases in complex projects. The development of colored electrical tapes address this need. These colored variants are made by adding non-conductive pigments to the PVC during the production process, ensuring the tape retains its insulating properties while offering distinct visual identification. This has proven invaluable in the field, helping professionals maintain organization and safety standards. The journey from early cloth tapes to modern PVC electrical tape also highlights a broader evolution in material science. Advances in polymer technology have led to the creation of tapes that can withstand extreme temperatures and exposure to harsh chemicals. Some specialized types of electrical tape are designed for specific applications, such as flame-retardant versions for high-risk environments or waterproof versions for use in outdoor settings. There are even tapes with advanced thermal properties that maintain their integrity in sub-zero conditions, or can resist degradation in environments with high humidity and heat. The innovation behind electrical tape is a testament to the importance of practical problem-solving in engineering and product development. What began as a response to the limitations of early insulating materials became a foundation for further advancements. Today's electrical tape is a product of decades of iterative improvements, combining elements of chemistry, material science, and industrial engineering to create a reliable, indispensable tool. From the first vinyl electrical tapes crafted by 3M to the diverse array of tapes we see now, this seemingly simple product has come a long way. Whether sealing a simple home wiring project or being used in complex industrial and automotive applications, electrical tape continues to prove that even the most everyday objects often have rich histories of innovation behind them. As materials technology continues to advance, it's exciting to think about what the next generations of electrical tape might offer in terms of sustainability, performance, and versatility. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other bingeable channels. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.